This device will suck in all smoke, dust, and allergens within 60 meters. Introducing Scentify Smoke Freshly, the world's first electronic sploof device. It has powerful suction that sucks in all smoke, dust, and allergens within 60 meters. A premium activated carbon filter that traps the smoke and dust, and a fragrance tank that releases a fresh fragrance scent at the push of a button. The result? Filtered scented air that permeates the entire house. The device comes with 7 choices of fragrance scents and runs on 3 pairs of rechargeable batteries, making it the perfect companion for your everyday travel.
As an asthmatic patient, the simple act of preparing a meal can trigger my asthma. That's why I need to pay attention to the breathing hazard in my kitchen. When it comes to cooking with asthma, the key is to keep the fumes at a low level. Scentify helps a lot in this regard. The device purifies the air as I cook, ensuring that I get the fresh air I need to make it through my meal preparation.
Gary and I have been living together since 9 months ago. The biggest challenge about sharing an apartment with him? His indoor smoking habit. So a friend introduced me to Scentify Smoke Freshly as part of the prototype testing community. It was a relief. He gets to do his thing as he pleases with no stinky consequences. So it's a win-win for us.
I got Smoke Freshly as a gift from Jen last summer. And boy oh boy, let me tell you, it was the best gift ever.
Oh yeah.
Before I got it, my apartment smelled like a dirty, rotten ashtray. And honestly, I was ashamed of it. I always had 1 or 2 excuses for not going outside. Smoking not only stunk up my apartment, it made my work clothes smell too. And when I went to work, people definitely noticed. With Smoke Freshly, I can not only smoke in my apartment without the smell, but in the comfort of my car. Unlike air freshener that masks the smell, Smoke Freshly sucks it in, filters it, and replaces the stench with my favorite smell. My air quality detector stays as fresh as it was before I lit up. This device has turned my life around. I feel healthier and I sleep better.
There's nothing like coming back to a clean scented apartment after a long day at work. I used to spend over $150 on air fresheners every year, but I've since cut that in half thanks to Smoke Freshly. What I really love about this product is that it comes with 8 choices of fragrance scents. I simply open up the fragrance tank and add the scent that I want. It takes me literally only 1 minute to refresh the entire house. Unlike air spray that makes me wheeze and sneeze, Scentify never clogs up my nostril. The scent is natural and pleasant. Scentify gives me more value for my money. And if you love amazing deals, you're gonna love Scentify Smoke Freshly.